What's up, Madie Fam? So I'm out today for a walk and I'm here to buy a few vegetables for me. So have a look. Where broccoli? Wanna take broccoli? Sweet corns? Mushroom? So now I will take candy, chocolate, from the store, as we have a habit of having food around 12, like late night. Our stomach gets so empty, so for that I need to grab food. Let's go inside. I'm here in to take the food stuff for hostel, and let's check it out. What all is there?
Nothing new, oxy.
Nothing new.
No, oxy.
Any soup, any Maggi, any noodles. So as we are out, we have taken the food materials. So I'm quite hungry, so we're gonna grab food from Subway. So here is the Subway. So we're gonna go inside and gonna grab the Subway burgers. Let's go inside. So we are inside.
Hi ma'am, welcome to Subway.
Thank you. What all is there? Is there anything special for today?
Today ma'am, non-veg veg.
Veg.
Veg में मैम कॉर्नर पीस चल रहा है.
Okay.
बताओ मैडम को.
Okay. And what else is there in veg? Apart from this, what else is there?
Check for non-veg, no?
Okay. What about non-veg, sir?
Non-veg में मैम कोफ्ता है, चिकन कोफ्ता.
Only chicken koftas.
हाँ, सब आप डले आज.
Okay. So these are only two things which are there for today. Or is
We have lots of things, but it's on discount. We
Okay.
have chicken.
okay.
With the veg is all.
Okay, they have a kind of nice sitting arrangement where we can sit and have food. So I'll probably gonna order non-veg for us, and after having that I'll be leaving, and then we'll go out and gonna have pasta and maybe pizza we're gonna grab. They have non-veg sub combo and salads are there, signature wrap is there, and this side they have veg sub combos. So you can come and have and enjoy the food in here. So now we are going towards the another food stall, that is Goli, and there we're gonna have mud oven pizza, so which I was waiting since long, and finally today we are going to have that. And you can see the weather, it's like windy and sunny as well. It's kind of nice weather. You can see hardly people are roaming because of pandemic. So after a long while we decided to go out and go for a nature walk and then grab a little food. So we are doing that right now. We didn't prefer any vehicle, rather we prefer going like walking. So it's kind of very good habit, like it keeps you healthy, and like walking even keeps you stay connected to the nature. So yeah, we are walking towards the other stop. let's cross the road. Like, it seems so empty. I'll show you guys. Like, hardly you can see the cars moving. It's also silent. It never used to be that much silence earlier, but due to the pandemic situation, you can hardly see people roaming. So we are just few footsteps away from reaching Goli. So there is that. I'll show you. That is a point from where we're gonna have Maravan pizza, and let's see what else they have in the menu. So we finally reached in here, and now we're gonna grab something. Let's see what they have in the menu. We're probably gonna order something in here. What they have in the menu for today's special is this. You guys can see, and many people are sitting in here. And this is Chai Ka Nukkar shop. So what they have is green tea, ginger tea, organic peppermint tea, detox tea, black tea and all. So it's the best shop where you can have varieties of different teas. And they have a very nice sitting arrangement. You can see. So I have ordered food here at Goli. And what I have ordered is mud oven pizza, which is very special in here. And apart from that, I have also ordered a green tea from this shop. And you can see they have a very nice looking up. And especially they even focuses on the beauty of nature. So let's come in here and we will have something. This is the Food Junction Goli menu. They have all the like tea stuff, juices, bars is there, desserts are there, and apart from that they have breakfast, Chinese, tandoori veg chaats they have, tandoori non-veg they have, veg curries they have, non-veg curries they have, breads they have, raitas they have, basmati rices, pulaus are there, salads are there, soups are there, and fast meals are there. Apart from that, Goli Vada Pav is there. So they kind of have abundance of food stuff. I just love the size of the road because it's kind of empty and it's so peaceful walking in here. It makes me happy. So now we are moving towards the hostel, and I hope you guys like this vlog, and do let me know what kind of vlogs you guys want me to make so that I can take you guys along with me on different areas and different food places. I met with Cutie Pie. His name is Logan. So,
अरे नहीं आ रही मैं
now we are here at Kingdom of Momos, which got opened during the lockdown, and they have varieties of momos. Here it is. You can see the sitting arrangement is very nice. Forget to make a video of the momos which I ordered, but these are left, so you can see the taste is really nice. So does the taste of red chutney. Yeah, momos were tasty and especially the stuffing was very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. So I'm going to wash my face, gonna do my night routine. So firstly I'm gonna wash my face with a biotic papaya face wash, which I'll show you guys. So this is the face wash that I use.
So I'm gonna apply it.
As I'm done with washing my face, I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick. You should always brush your teeth before you go to bed in order to get rid of the cavities. After I'm done with brushing, I'll use a mouthwash which is by Colgate. I'm done with brushing and using a mouthwash, and now it's the time for applying a moisturizer on the face. So I'm using Pond's moisturizer, which is very good. So this moisturizer has liquid texture and I would highly recommend you guys to use it. It has a hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, which is very good for your skin, so you should include this cream in your daily night routine. And now it's the time to apply a lip balm on my lips. So I basically use Oriflame lip balm for moisturizing my lips, and as I have used matte lipstick during the daytime, so after the removal it is must that you should apply some lip balm on it in order to prevent them from getting dry. So yeah, this is it for my night routine. So I hope you guys like my video, and drop like, comment in the comment section so that I get more motivated to make more videos for you guys. So keep motivating me by commenting and liking, sharing this video, subscribe to my channel, show some love, and thank you. I'll be back with more videos. Bye.